In the pursuit of meaning, we are led down winding paths of introspection, where the very fabric of our understanding is tested and torn asunder. We confront the specter of our own limitations, the narrow lens through which we filter the infinite possibilities of existence. Our language falters, our concepts crumble, and the weight of our ignorance presses down upon us like an unyielding shroud. Yet, it is in this very darkness that we stumble upon fleeting glimmers of insight, hints of a world beyond the confines of our perceptions. We catch glimpses of a universe in constant flux, where particles and waves blur into an indistinguishable whole. We sense the turbulent undercurrents of an existence that defies our attempts to pin it down, to grasp and contain it within the tidy confines of our understanding. Our quest for knowledge is a Sisyphan task, a futile endeavor to impose order on a world that refuses to be tamed. We strive to articulate the inexpressible, to give voice to the mute beauty of existence. We construct edifices of thought, only to have them reduced to rubble by the unyielding force of reality. And still we build anew, driven by an unquenchable thirst for understanding, for connection, and for transcendence. In this ceaseless dance of creation and destruction, we find a strange and wondrous freedom. We are no longer bound by the constraints of our knowing. Instead, we are unshackled by the weight of our ignorance. We are free to explore, to wander, and to venture into the uncharted territories of our own existence. We are free to fail, to stumble, and to falter, for it's in these very moments of weakness that we discover the hidden contours of our strength. For all its turbulence and chaos, existence is a vast and wondrous tapestry, woven from the threads of paradox and contradiction. It's a realm where light and darkness coexist, where certainty and uncertainty blur into a seamless whole. It's a place where we are simultaneously bound and free, trapped in the cycle of our own becoming, yet unencumbered by the strictures of our former selves. As we continue to navigate the labyrinthine universe of our existence, we are forced to confront the limitations of our language and the inadequacies of our concepts. We are compelled to surrender to the mystery, to give up our attempts to grasp and pin down the ungraspable. And it's in this very surrender that we discover the hidden beauty of our complexity, the richness of our multiplicity, and the depth of our humanity. In the end, it's not the answers that matter, but the questions themselves. It's not the destination, but the journey. For it's in the act of inquiry, in the process of exploration and discovery, that we find our true selves, our purpose, and our passion. We become more than static beings, fixed in time and space. We become fluid, dynamic, and ever evolving. We become the very essence of existence, the shimmering, shining light of our potential.